Okay, now we start off with the hardware section. We have hardware for aluminium doors and windows and UPVC doors and windows. What you see on your screen is the typical hardware that is used in most of aluminium windows. Here it's a single point locking or a Cockspur handle. This one is a multi-point, 2-point or a multi-point locking handle. Then this one is a 2-point or multi-point locking handle with a detachable lever. This one again is a 2-point or a multi-point locking handle. This is a concealed tower bolt sliding lock with nib. This portion is called the nib. This is a hinge, a butt hinge, a friction hinge, and this is a roller for sliding. The UPVC hardware that we have, just an overview. Here is a standard window handle with thumb press and key. This one. This is a Cockspur handle or a single point locking handle. This is a handle used for doors. It is used on a lock like this. Okay, this is a patio door handle, or it could be used in sliding. This type of a handle is called a pop-up handle. This is a touch lock for sliding. Both of these are for sliding windows. Standard window handle, standard casement window handle. These are the cylinders, locking cylinders, locking cylinder covers. For example, you can use a spag which looks like this here. So here is the portion where the handle, this handle would go and fit here, and in this portion here the cylinder lock would be put. This has its own cover. However, for the cylinder lock, this will be the cover which will come on the profile and hide the cylinder lock from view. This is a crescent lock, sliding roller, single roller sliding roller. This is a double roller sliding roller. This is a 3D hinge. So different kinds of hardware, a huge variety of hardware is what we have. Let's first look at the line 1 range of hardware that we have for aluminium primarily, and it comes from a company called Alualfa in Portugal. Alualfa have been in this field for the past 40 years, and they started off as a fabricator, but then they graduated into manufacturing of hardware, and their hardware is amongst the best in the world. They are suppliers to major profile extruders like Sapa. Their mainstream products include single point locking system, 2-point locking system, multi-point locking system, Cockspur and multi-point locking handles for casement windows, sliding locks, and associated hardware for sliding windows, mortise handle and locks for casement doors, butt hinges for casement windows and doors, pivot hinges for horizontal or vertical pivot windows, locking and specialized handles for facade vents, tilt and turn kit for tilt and turn windows. This is how a standard Cockspur handle for windows looks. This portion here gets fitted on the frame by the help of these 2 screws. This is the handle that gets fitted on the sash, and there will be screws here and here. When you close the sash, the handle would be open. This would be pointing down. After closing the sash, when you move the handle back down like this portion will go inside this, and that's how the locking will happen. Mind you, the locking of the window happens only at this point. So it's a single point locking handle.